What's going on, that game? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I posted. I've been waiting on parts, like I said before, and just nothing I can do about it. But today we're gonna be installing a push button start. I'm not getting it out. Push button start in the RAM today. It's gonna be a little bit of a task today, so bear with me. I don't have a cameraman, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down a lot. Probably have to stop the scenes a lot, so just got to bear with me. But if you turn this camera around, we'll take this box out. You want to take the seats out, and then we'll start washing things together. So turn the camera around, and then we get to it. Right. You know, I'm talking about my truck. I know she's dirty. It's very gloomy out here. I was gonna wash it today, but it rained last night, so gotta take this out. It is sold. My little brother's buying it. Update on that car. If nobody buy that piece of shit in a couple days, I'm selling it. I'm done with it. I mean, I'm pulling the motor out. I'm just done with it, to be honest. I'm just done with it. Let me get this out. I'm about to see it down because this box is heavy. Or I'm turning the camera on. Gotta excuse my spaghetti back here. I swear I'm gonna fix this. It's horrible, I know. But gotta take the seats out. They're 18 millimeter bolts. There's 2 on each side. Camera down there for y'all. I'm going the wrong way. I'm trying to do the best I can. Got all the views, I mean, all the angles. But I took already one out, so I gotta take this one out, and then the two over there, and I'll cut the camera back on. Alright, so I got the seat removed. I need to take it all the way out, but it's only me, so I don't know how I'm gonna get it back in here. So I put it halfway out. But I gotta take these 2 clips off. We're gonna get back here to get to the hub, so we can do the push button start conversion. So it's about to start raining, so I'm kind of in a hurry. I gotta rush the video, but it's gonna rain on me. One out. I don't even know if I need to take that one out because the hub is right here, so I might need to take that one out. Probably just that right there, and this will push pin right here. Okay. But yep, I ain't even take it out because the hub is right here. All right, take this pin out. All right, so this is what we're replacing today. So get everything. Make sure my address is not on anything. So, okay, so here's one of the antennas if you need the part number. Straight from Opar. Let it focus. Focus. Okay, it doesn't want to focus. I'll put the link in the description for y'all. Here's one antenna, you need 2 of these. There's 1. There's 2. Here's the actual push button itself. You got to install it in front. Got 2 keys. And the HUD they're replacing. And I also got the wire harness from my guy Matt. Also leave his Facebook in the description so you can contact him. Good pricing. So I'll leave that in the description for you. But let me install this or more. Yeah, let me install this and then I'll get back with y'all. Yeah, I already installed. So it's the one that comes in the truck, standard. Nothing on this side. Just one plug on this side. What you do is you plug that plug into there, and then the wire harness I got from Matt, you plug one side in there and one antenna. You run the wire down through here to the front to the push button. So I'm not gonna run it just yet. We'll make sure everything's working perfectly fine. So I'm just put to the side. go there, I'm gonna start the push button, and then yeah, man, we'll see if she fire or not. So let me get up here, hit the dash down, put the button in, and then we'll go from there. Alright, now again, so the other end of the wire harness is right here. So I'm trying to record and do it with one hand. Going to the other antenna, if you come with two antennas, we got about two antennas. This is what greases the key fob. So snap it's in there, and what you do is you run the wire and you zip tie it on here, so it detect your key when it's on you. So our next step, since that's plugged up, I'm not going to do anything yet. I'm just going to make sure everything's working fine before I tighten everything up. But I gotta take the old key thing out so we can put the push button in. So got my drill. These four little screws all together. Oh, well, it's not screws. Keys, so I don't know why they do that. It's all good. Oh, they're star keys. Oh, I think I got any star keys, guys. Okay, let me try to find some star keys. Get back with you. Okay, so I got the right star key. Glad I have one. Just 4 bolts. That's out. Down here, I'll take the factory button out. Here. Just gonna install the new one, the push button. Camera on focus, the push button. Here. Just like that. Just like that. So let me, I think the camera's in a good spot. You sure? Yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna reinstall the screws. Like so. Forward. With the old. Now everything's installed. I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna put everything back together until I make sure it's working. Make sure I didn't miss any steps. But it's in. So now gotta program the key. That's the part I was dreading. Gotta program the key. I got 2 keys. So I'll leave the link to the description for the keys. So maybe get the tablet and then we'll program the keys. Okay, so we're gonna try to program this key. So an Apple OBD. So I connect it. So I click right here where the little clip popped. And this is a baseline. This is push start. I mean, it's not the baseline, it's the high line. Since we're doing push start. 4-digit pin. Get my pin real quick. Take a picture earlier. You can also read your pin on the tablet on the OBD. Not letting me select it though. What's going on, guys? Let me figure this out and I'll get back with y'all. I guess if I ain't figured it out, it wasn't connected. See what I mean? But put the pin in. So yeah, please wait. It's not focusing. Test failed. Hold on. Alright, but look. She fires. I did. Let's go. What I'm gonna do is I got 2 keys, so I'm gonna program the other key, and then we're gonna run all the wires how it's supposed to be run, and then we'll wrap this video up now again. So let me program the other key. It took me a while to figure it out, but you have to hold the unlock button for a few seconds to do it, then it connects. So let me program the other key, and then we'll get back on the video. Alright, and again, for any video, I know I was talking shit about this car at the beginning of the video, but it's really a good car. Just need a lot of TLC, and I don't have the time for it. I've been cleaning the inside, trying to get it back together. It's pretty clean. All it needs is an alternator. I replaced one the other day, but I bought it from the junkyard and it was trash. So just $800. Just buy the alternator. I'll put it on free, and it's yours. If not, nobody buy it. Probably 2 or 3 weeks. I'm yanking the motor out. Motor and trans coming out, interior coming out, and we're gonna swap it. I'm done messing with it. So let me know. Truck. I did take the wheels off, but I ain't putting them back on. I took them off for a little while. Put the truck back up. Everything back to normal. And put that together. No, it's dirty. It's been raining. Don't judge me. Put this button in. But family truck, I wasn't going to, but I'm gonna lift the front, put the wheels back on. I want my full turn back. Just need a bath, but it just keep raining. Not doing nothing to the 3. Didn't know about this car. But we're in the video. See the remote start works. also I want to give a huge shout out to Matt. He went and made the wire harness for this. So I'll leave his Facebook down. He got good pricing on different wire harness. If you want the 5th gen tails, get the wire harness for that. The push button start, keyless entry. He do a lot of stuff. I also leave his YouTube. Instruction how to install things. His YouTube is very detailed, so make sure you go there and check his YouTube out. And I also want to give a shout out to my neighbor. I know you're probably tired of me, but I'm always using the tools and always borrowing things. So I want to give a shout out to my boy Mackenzie. He always helped me out. Yeah. Alright y'all, hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was all over the place. I was fighting the rain and trying to record and do everything by myself. It's kind of hard when you're trying to do it by yourself, but did the best I could. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, leave me a like, leave me a comment. If you just say check me in, just leave me a comment. Hit the algorithm out and help push my video out. So you can do that for me, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace. Love y'all.